Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this solid object in Solidworks software. So at first I'm taking the new file. I'm going here and select the new. Okay. Then I'm selecting the MMGS. Then going to take the plane for taking the front plane and go to the extruded boss, taking the center rectangle and sketch it. Then I'm going to the smart dimension and determine the dimension. It will be 100 millimeters, and this portion also 100 millimeters. I'm taking the square shape, then exit it. Then it will be 500 millimeters. I'm taking it from the mid plane. Okay, it will be 500 millimeters. Okay, exit it. Done. Then I'm going to select the extrude boss again and click on this portion and go to here, select the normal plane, or otherwise Ctrl 8 from keyboard. Then taking the center rectangle again and sketch it. Then going to the smart dimension and determine it. It will be 100 millimeters, and distance from here to here it will be 250 millimeters. Okay, done. Then I'm going here. Then you are watching it. It will be 100 millimeters, 200 millimeters. I'm taking it. Okay, done. Okay, then I'm going to select the extrude cut, click on the surface, then Ctrl 8 for normal plane, then go to the corner rectangle. Okay, then I'm selecting from here to here. Okay, go to the smart dimension, and from here to here distance is 25 millimeters. Similarly from here to here also 25 millimeters. Okay, then I'm going here. Then through all is selected. Okay, done. Then I'm going on this portion. Actually I'm going to the fillet and I'm selecting the fillet. Then full rounded place is selected. Click on the surface and another face, another surface, and similarly another face and another surface. Okay, and tangential again I'm taking it from this portion, this side and this side, and this face and this face. Okay, done. Okay, then I'm going to the extruded boss and click on the surface, go to the normal plane and taking the circle, and I'm taking this circle. Okay, I'm taking it to be 100 millimeters. Okay, done. Then otherwise I'm taking this portion. No. Okay, I'm taking again the circle is selecting, then I'm drawing in this side. I'm taking here. Okay, I'm taking it 100 millimeters. Okay, then exit it. Watching. Then I'm taking this portion is also 200 millimeters. Okay, done. you're watching it. Then I'm taking the extruded cut and click on the surface, go to here, normal plane is selected, then taking the circle and sketch it. It will be 60 millimeters. Okay, done. Then it will be 150. Okay, again I'm taking the extruded cut and click on the surface and sketch it by circle and sketch it. It will be 80 millimeters. Okay, done. And it will be go to the 50 millimeters. Okay, exit it. Then I'm going to the extrude cut again and click on the surface and sketch it by the circle, and I'm drawing a circle. It will be 50 millimeters. Okay, and through all is selected. I'm going here and select the through all. Okay, done. Okay, then I'm going to the fillet and constant radius is selected. Click on this portion, then okay, 10 millimeters radius. Okay, done. Then I'm going to the fillet again and full rounder is selected. Click on this surface and another click on the surface, another click in similar way, another click and another surface. Okay, done. In same way, click here, one click, another surface, another click, and similarly another surface and another click. Okay, done. Then I'm going to select the extruded cut and click here, Control 8 for normal plane, go to here and sketch it from here to middle point is here. Okay, here, done. In similar way I'm sketching it from here to here, go to the smart dimension and distance from here to here, it will be 15 millimeters, and from here to here it will be 50 millimeters. Again from here to the small dimension, again from distance from here to here 50 millimeters. Similarly from here to here distance is 50 millimeters, and radius from here to here 15 millimeters. Then okay, then go to here, select the through all. Through all is selected. Okay,